this is Lula LV. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing 3 new Louis Vuitton items. The first one of which is a brand new limited edition release. I'm super excited for this. And the other 2 are new to me, vintage pieces, one of which is a bag that I have literally been searching years for. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, we talk mostly about Louis Vuitton, but also other high-end luxury, premium beauty, and contemporary designer brands. If you enjoy unboxings like today, product reviews and comparisons, shopping vlogs, and tips on how to be a smart luxury shopper, then please do hit that subscribe button. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram, where I am quite active. I share a lot of luxury content as well as little tidbits of my life. Now, let's get into today's video. Let's start off our trio of unboxings with the brand new release. This is from the Christmas Animation Collection. I did a lot of videos on the Christmas Animation Collection this year, and I know that a lot of viewers and subscribers found my channel through those videos. So I thank you very much for finding my channel and sticking with me if you are watching this unboxing. So let's get into it. I only purchased one item from the Christmas Animation Collection when I saw that they included, this is knotted, so I'm just gonna slip it off. When I saw that they included New York City as one of the cities in this year's collection, I knew that I wanted to get one of the pieces. And I went with a bandeau because I absolutely love bandeaus. And all the bandeaus I have are in the BB size. This is my first, believe it or not, regular size bandeau. The BB size bandeaus are the same length, but they are 1 inch thinner. They also have a thinner end where it's angled like so. So they're just a little bit smaller. I purchased the New York City bandeau, and I will give you a close-up first to the front. And there is Vivienne, the Louis Vuitton mascot, shopping. We have the iconic New York City yellow cab. There is Petula on a skateboard. This is the Louis Vuitton Soho building. There is Gaston. These are all Louis Vuitton animation characters, little mascots in case you aren't familiar with them. And then around the middle of the bandeau, the design flips over to the other side. So all of the images are facing upright on both sides. And the back is just a plain Louis Vuitton monogram in gray and white. And then at the bottom, I'll get the tag out of the way, we have Vivienne. And here she is on the other side, and it says Louis Vuitton at the bottom. How cute is this? So this is the first item I purchased, and this is from the brand new Christmas Animation Collection. The next 2 items I have are vintage, new to me pieces. I just bought these last week. I purchased them from a seller online. Her name is Rebecca B. Luxury, and I do follow her on Instagram. I will include her Instagram handle in the description box below, as well as any other contact information that she has, so you can go and follow her online. She does live bag drops. So basically she will get all the new items that she's received to consign. She is an online consigner, and when she has her items together, she will go on Instagram Live and do a live bag drop. So this is where I saw these items, and I love it because you can ask her to model the items for you. You can ask her to open up the bag or whatever piece it is that she's showing you, show you different parts of it. I actually asked her to smell this bag for me, as strange as that may sound, because this is a vintage piece, and every single one I would find online said it had a musty odor. And smell is a deal breaker for me, so I have been looking years for one of these bags in great condition, and I finally found it. I asked her to smell it for me, and she's like, no, no musty smell, but I would disclose that if it did smell musty. So she deserves a shout out just for that alone, for smelling this bag for me on Instagram Live. So let's open it up. And again, her name's Rebecca B Luxury. So I love that the tissue paper has little gold bees on it. Really cute. So I bought 2 items from her. One is a bag plus a matching wallet. Let's go for the bag first because I know that's what everybody wants to see. And I did open this up when it came in just to look at everything, but I rewrapped it to give you a little bit of the experience. So it's just in a brown cardboard box wrapped in bubble wrap. The bag did not come with a box, which she did say during the Instagram Live. It did just come with a dust bag. So we'll put all that wrapping aside. And this is the bag. As I said, it is vintage, so it does have an older style dust bag that came with it. And it is the Louis Vuitton Pont-Neuf in this gorgeous yellow epi leather. How nice is this? I absolutely love this bag. I don't know what it is, but I saw this design online while I was just looking around at pre-loved bags. I don't even remember what site I was on, and I loved the design of it, how it has these 2 outer pockets plus the large zip compartment in the middle. A lot of Louis Vuitton bags do not have outside pockets. A lot of the classic styles that I own, like the Alma, does not have an outside pocket, but I like having a pocket sometimes just to slip my phone in and out really easily without unzipping the whole bag. So when I saw this with the 2 large outer pockets, I loved it. This particular bag, according to the date stamp inside, is from 1999. So she is in absolutely stunning condition for being 23 years old. Let me just take the paper out from the inside and I'll give you a full tour. Okay, so the inside of the bag is this beautiful purple lining. This is an Alcantara microfiber lining, and there's a slip pocket in the back with a zipped pouch. So there's basically 2 pockets in the back. One is open, one is zipped, and then the entire rest of the bag is open. As I said, there are 2 large slip pockets that go all along the length of the bag on each side. And this is in stunning condition for being so old. The hardware is in really great shape. It's nice and shiny. There's really no corner wear to speak of whatsoever. And of course there's no smell, which was my deal breaker. The inside is also extremely clean. I'm not sure if that's showing up really well on camera, but it's very clean inside. The only mark is this light spot here on the outside, but to be honest, when I'm holding it and when you look at it, not on camera, just when you look at it in person, it's really not super noticeable. And this was $825 from Rebecca B Luxury. The second item I purchased was another vintage piece, and it's a wallet. This item did come with the box, if I can get it facing the right direction. This is one of the older Louis Vuitton boxes, one of their brown boxes. I believe they redesigned and moved to these yellow, or these orange boxes, excuse me, in 2014, I believe. So this is one of the older boxes, again, because this is a vintage piece with an older style dust bag. And I got a matching wallet because how could I pass this up to go with the bag? This is the Sarah wallet in epi leather, and again, this is in stunning condition. And there's just the LV stamp on the corner. Otherwise, it's just plain yellow epi leather. This is from a different year. It's not exactly the same color as this bag. You can see it's a little bit brighter. Also, the hardware on this bag is gold, and the hardware on this wallet is silver. But of course, that's not a big deal because you really don't see the hardware on the wallet. And again, this is in stunning condition. There's 4 card slots on the front, 6 card slots on the inside, a cash slot in the back, 2 larger compartments, and a zipped coin purse. And my favorite part, inside the coin purse, is this little gift from Rebecca. It's an origami folded dollar bill shaped like a heart, which is to bring fortune and good luck to the recipient. So I thought this was such a cute little gift for her to include with the bag and the wallet, and I really, really appreciated it. And this is the second piece I got. This was $299. So this is going to go with my bag. I really love this. I am a long wallet girl. I love my long wallets. So let me show you how I would style this, and I'll show you a couple mod shots. This is how I would style this bag for fall winter. You can see I tied the bandeau on for just a little splash of color. I love it. I would wear it with just a nice plain gray cable knit sweater, or if you live in a warmer climate, just a lighter gray sweater. And I have some pants, just regular skinny jeans, and these olive green boots. These were cast-on boots that I purchased from Nordstrom maybe a couple seasons ago. So if they are still available, I will link to them below. For spring, summer, to style the bag, I would choose something like this nice navy blue maxi dress. This is from Michael Kors. This just has a nice smocked top and then smocked straps, so it's super comfortable, and it is a full-length maxi dress with a little ruffle hem. So I think navy blue paired with the bright yellow would be just a really fabulous combination. So I would style it with this. And for shoes, I actually happen to have a pair of bright yellow flats from Ferragamo. These are the road sandal that matches perfectly. I mean, how great is this with that navy blue dress? But if you don't have a yellow shoe, which I'm sure a lot of people don't, I would pair it with just a nice white or ivory sandal. This is the Paley sandal from Dolce Vita. This is a really affordable option. I believe they're around $100, slightly over $100 for the pair. And whenever I wear these shoes, I get a ton of compliments. So I would pair this shoe and bag with a nice navy blue dress. And this is how I would style this bag for the spring and summer. Thank you so much for watching my triple unboxing today. My vintage Epi Pont-Neuf with the Christmas animation bandeau, and of course the matching yellow wallet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do stay tuned for my videos next week, which will include my Amazon.com holiday gift idea list. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.